Students, in the last paragraph on page number 5, as you saw that Damu and Naushad uncle were discussing, and his uncle and his father were catching the fish. They had caught a lot of fish. Now Naushad discussed Damu about the world. He asked him the question, did you know there are more water bodies on the earth than land? Can you imagine continents of fish rulers, and perhaps different communities of fish? In this paragraph, Naushad uncle tried to tell Damu about the different kind of water bodies who live in the water, and he also told him that there were more water bodies, there are more living things in the water bodies on earth than the land. He also asked the question, if he could imagine the continents of fish, if he could imagine about the fish rulers, if he could find the different communities of fish. Damu replied, if I take a fish from this sea. No, Naushad uncle kept onward his discussion with the Damu. He told him, if I take a fish from this sea and put it in another sea, or in the bottle and take it to another sea, then that fish would be identified instantly a foreigner. This was the answer of the Damu to the Naushad's questions. As they were talking, the oarsmen were listening them silently. Damu's eyes were both alert and dreamy as he talked to Naushad. He was very alert to the Damu's conversation, and he kept on talking with Naushad. The words of the old man drew pictures in the eyes of the child. He had put an effect on Damu, and the two caught fish, plenty of it. Now, when Damu went home and took a lot of fish with him, Damu's mother was very surprised to see the amount of fish at the bed of the boat. And Damu was also very excited. Excitedly, he told to his mother, Amma, I caught them all fish. She muttered that you have begun your good luck. Beneath this, his father Sudhakaran smiled under his moustache, and he said that the boy had begun a good luck. After everybody had gone to sleep, Damu's mother started to do the dishes. After every member of the family had taken the food, Damu's mother was cleaning the dishes. His father Sudhakaran came there. He also joined with her. He also shared her work. They both were scrubbing sand and ash on a big metal pot. They were cleaning a big pot. Sudhakaran said to his wife, he was agreed with his wife, because his wife, it means to say Damu's mother, always said that leave the boy, whatever you want to do, let him do according to his own whims. Now he was also agreed and told her wife that you were right and your son is also all right. And he told her that now he didn't care if he doesn't want to be a fisherman like this Achan. Devaki, who was Damu's mother, smiled in the dark and she told her husband, do you remember how you used to fight with our mothers to wash the dishes? It means Sudhakaran told her wife about his past experience when they both used to fight with their mother, when she used to clean the dishes. Their fighting was not for other meaning. They fought only to clean the pots or dishes of their own share, of their own part. Students, now here ends chapter 1, daydreaming. Now we will do the exercises of this chapter in other video. Thank you.